It's negative 28, so that means it's time for science. We're going to make instant snow. We're going to get some boiling water going, and then we're going to throw it up in the air. Again, temperature has to be negative 22 or below for this to work. And then the molecules will be so energized and so far away from each other that the hot boiling water will turn instantly into snow. Let's give it a try. Ready? Ta-da! Instant snow! Snow fog. Moment about safety. Notice I used a cup with a handle that helps me keep my hands out of the way. Also, I made sure to not, throw it in the direction of anybody. And it's not too windy today, but if it was windy, I'd have to gear it to make sure I wasn't blowing it into the wind, because then it would hit me and that'd be bad. So the last time we did instant snow at the Minot Air Force Base Library, we had a request on Facebook for what happens if you do the Coke and Mentos experiment when it's negative 22 or below. I'm not sure. So you have to come up with a hypothesis to see what you're going to think is going to happen. So it's a physical reaction, not a chemical reaction. Chemical reactions are generally much, much slower during when it's really cold, because the molecules are all stiff and stuck together and not moving around very much. And the Coke isn't boiling, but it's a physical reaction. But it still involves molecules moving around. So go ahead and make your guess, and then we'll see what happens. Negative 28. And we're going to find out what happens if you do Coke and Mentos at negative 28. So they can move away in time. Ready? And the answer is not very much. Compared to how high it would have gone if it was warmer out. And that those molecules are just too cold to be doing very much of anything. They don't want to do anything.
But is it freezing?
But I don't think so. It's going to freeze pretty quickly if anybody wants some frozen Coke.
No, it's wet.
Yeah.